Hello again. Today guys, we're going to be doing long division step by step. So grab a piece of paper, something to write with, and let's do it. Let's start with an easy one, 72 divided by 3. The first thing we have to do is rewrite it. So I'm going to write it like this, 72 divided by 3. And we're going to start with the tens. How many 3's fit into 7? Well, 2. So I'll write the 2 at the top. But there was some left over because 3 times 2 is only 6. So I can work out how many was left over. 7 minus 6, there was 1 left over. So that leftover 10 is going to join the 2 1's. So we'll bring the 2 1's down. And now we have 12. How many 3's go into 12? 3 times 4 is 12. And we're going to check there's no remainders. 3 times 4 is 12. No remainders. So that is our answer. Let's try another one. Now we have 974 divided by 4. Let's start with the hundreds. How many 4's go into 9? Well, 2. But I think there's some remainders. Let's check. 4 times 2 is 8. Yep, there's 1 remainder. So we're going to bring the 7 down now. Now we're going to go, how many 4's fit into 17? Well, 4 times 4 is 16, but there's going to be some remainders again. So let's check the remainders. 4 times 4 is 16. There's 1 remainder. So now we're going to bring that 2 down. Now we have 12. How many 4's fit into 12? Well, 4 times 3 is 12. Let's check we've got no remainders. 4 times 3 is 12, no remainders. So that's our answer. Let's try a slightly harder one that may end up with decimals. Let's try this one. 126 divided by 5. Firstly, looking at the hundreds. How many 5's fit into 1? Well, none. So we're going to combine the next two. How many 5's fit into 12? Well, 2 times 5 is 10. So that's 2. So 2. But I think there's going to be some remainders. 5 times 2 is 10. Yep, we have 2 remainders. So we're going to bring that 6 down. Now we have 26. How many 5's fit into 26? Well, 5 times 5 is 25. So 5 times 5 is 25. And we've got 1 more remainder. But we've got no more numbers here. So what we do is we put a decimal point here and a 0. And then we put a decimal point at the top, making sure they're lined up. Now we're ready. We're going to bring this 0 down. Now we have 10. How many 5's fit into 10? 2. Let's see if we've got any remainders. 5 times 2 is 10. So there'll be no remainders. So our answer is 25.2. Okay, press pause. Try these ones for yourself. When you're ready to mark, press play. All right, let's mark. How many 5's go into 6? 1. And there's 1 remainder. We're going to bring the 1 down. How many 5's go into 11? 2. With 1 remainder. We're going to bring the 0 down. How many 5's go into 10? It's going to go perfectly twice. 536 divided by 2. How many 2's go into 5? It goes twice. 2 times 2 is 4. There's 1 remainder. How many 2's go into 3? Oh, we've got to bring that 3 down. How many 2's go into 13? Well, 2 times 6 is 12. And we have 1 remainder, bringing down the 6. How many 2's go into 16? 2 times 8. Went perfect. All right, if you want to try some with decimals, give these two a go. All right, try this one. It's going to go into decimals. Pause the video. When you're ready to mark, press play. Let's mark. How many 5's go into 6? 1. 5 times 1 is 5. There is 1 remainder. Bring down the 3. How many 5's go into 13? Well, 5 times 2 is 10. and there's going to be 3 remainder. All right, well, we're going to have to put a decimal here, and now we're going to pull down this 0. How many 5s go into 30? Well, 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 6 is 30. Check there's no remainders. There's not. So you should have that as your answer. And that's it. If you now understand long division, hit the like button and subscribe if you want to learn more.